How to fill out CMS Form 1763, Termination of Premium Hospital and/or Supplementary Medical Insurance. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. CMS Form 1763 is a request for termination of premium hospital and/or supplementary medical insurance. It's the only way for a Medicare enrollee to terminate hospital insurance known as Medicare Plan A and supplementary medical insurance known as Plan B. CMS Form 1763 is a single-page document with several fields including name of enrollee, Medicare number, date hospital insurance will end, reasons for the termination request, and other relevant information. Although CMS Form 1763 is not available for online submission, you can find it in PDF Filler's library. Fill it out and easily print it from your account. We will help complete each field and take you through it step by step. If you work with PDF documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try PDF Filler for a period of 30 days absolutely for free. Use PDF Filler to modify your document's content, type or erase text, highlight important information, black out sensitive data, add sticky notes, images, and so on. In addition to editing PDFs online, you can print out a completed document or save it to your device as a PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or JPEG file. Send it via email, fax, SMS, or USPS. Host your document online, share it via direct link, or send your PDF for signature to one or several recipients. Hurry up to get your free 30-day trial that you can cancel anytime with no obligations. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments section if you have any questions.